Today I am going to introduce the first chapter of the class 12 relation. First we will come to the definition of relation. What do you mean by relation? If A and B are two non-empty sets, then a relation R from the set A to the set B is defined as a subset of A cross B. We have learned how to find A cross B, that is the Cartesian product of two sets, in class 11. Now this time we will just try to understood what is the subset of A cross B. Suppose A is one set having elements 1, 2, 3 and B A, B, C. Then A cross B will be 1, A, 1, B, 1, C. Similarly 2, A, 2, B, 2, C and 3, A, 3, B, 3, C. Now we have got 9 elements. Listen carefully, we have got 9 elements. In this 9 element, we can take 3 elements or 4 elements or 5 elements or all 9 elements at a time. These all are the subset of A cross B, including null set, because null set is a subset of every set. These all subsets will come into the relation. Now it will depend how many elements will come in the relation. It will depend on how I will define the relation. Therefore, thus R is a relation from the set A to the set B implies R is the subset of A cross B. That means if X, Y any order pair come to the relation R, then X, Y order pair should belongs to A cross B. If any element is come to the relation R, it should come in the relation A cross B. That means if any element come to relation R, it should belong the main set A cross B, because it is a subset of A cross B. Now if XY belongs to R, we can say X is in relation R to Y. It is the way through which we can say any element is related to the another element. We will say that we can say X is in relation R to Y and write X or Y. X or Y means X is related to Y. If XY not belongs to R, we can say X is not in relation R to Y and write X R / we will give, that means not related to Y. If it is related, we will write XYR. If it is not related, we will write XR and / we will cut R, that means not related to Y. Now we discuss that relation from one set to another set. Till now we discuss relation from one set to another set. Now we will discuss relation on the same set, that means relation from A to A. Previously we discussed relation from A to B. Now we will discuss relation from A to A. A to A. Let A be a non-empty set. Then a relation from A to itself. A to itself means A to A. That is a subset of A cross A. Here I told subset of A cross B, and here there is no existence of B, because here the relation we have defined A to A, so it will be subset of A cross A. It's called a relation on A. It's called a relation on A. Relation from A to B, on that case we will define in this way. Relation from A to itself, that means A to A, we will define in this way. Okay, clear? Now just come to the point, domain and range of a relation. Domain and range of a relation. Let R be a relation from a set A to a set B. Set A to a set B. Set A to a set B. Then domain of the relation R is the set of all first elements. domain of the relation R is the set of all first elements. That means here this order pair x, y I have written. X will come from domain. X will come from domain. And y will be the member of codomain. Y will be the member of codomain or range. Y will be the member of codomain or range. The range of the relation R is the set of all second elements or coordinates. Coordinates, because I am telling, because in this format we have written the order pair. It is in the coordinate form. It is in the coordinate form. Okay. First element is come from domain, and second element y come from codomain or range. So range of the relation R is the set of all second elements or coordinates of the order pairs which belongs to R. Thus, for domain, what we told? We told X such that XY order pair belongs to R. That means the XY order pair which belongs to R, we have to take only X as a member of domain, and we will take here only Y as the member of codomain from the XY which is belongs to R. That means the XY order pair which belongs to R means the particular relation. So how many things we have learned from here? We have learned here that relation is possible from one set to another set, that is from A to B. On that case, any relation will be the subset of the Cartesian product of A cross B. And if the relation is on the same set, that means A to A, that means A to itself, then it will be the subset of the set A cross A. Here A cross B, because two different sets are there, and since it is for the same set, so A cross A. And domain and range of the relation will be the first element of the order pair, that is XY. In this order pair XY, the first element, that is X, will be the member of domain, and Y will be the member of codomain. We have written here domain for the relation R, that is domain of R will be X such that XY order pair belongs to R. The order pair XY which belongs to R, we have to take all these order pairs first element of this order pairs first element as the member of domain, and the second element of the order pair will be the range. Most probably all of you have understood what I want to tell. Thank you, students.